Welcome to Greenbuilt Steel Structures. My name's Tom, I'm the General Manager, and I'm going to show you what we're up to. Here at Greenbuilt, we manufacture and panelize residential and commercial structures all out of light gauge steel. We operate the Scottsdale Construction System, which is a construction system that is used in over 100 countries around the world and has been for 2 decades. The process is quite simple. We take flat steel coil, this is Canadian steel, brought in from Ontario. We put it onto our decoiler and it feeds through our machine. Our machine is a software-driven, CAD-based software that manufactures as required. So here you can see on the machine, we're building a wall. All of the components are spoken to the machine by this computer. The machine does all the cutting, the notching, the hole punching to precision within 1/16 of an inch. On the assembly side, our assemblers are required just to put the fasteners within the hole and repeat that step. The result of that is a perfectly framed wall every single time. We have the ability to do 2x6, 2x4, and floor and roof trusses all in-house. So in traditional wood frame construction, currently your waste is around 20 to 25%. One of the advantages using computer-based software and these machines is we reduce that waste down to approximately 2 to 3%, but because it's steel, 100% of our waste, as captured here, is 100% recyclable. So as you can see, even our walls are pre-framed right here in our facility and then shipped to site. You can see bundles around the facility of jobs ready for delivery. It's quite simple, low footprint, comes off the machine and comes to these assembly stands where our facility staff assembles the walls as required. What we have here is our Knudsen multi-profile machine. It's also manufactured by Scottsdale Construction Systems. This machine allows us to enter the commercial market as well as go as high as 10 stories. So as you can see here, here's our in-house steel coil supply. What we have here is essentially enough steel to manufacture 6 2,000 square foot homes. Now, if you imagine that volume in lumber, it would occupy this full facility. So as you can see, when we put it all together, it looks very similar to a wood frame construction. It's just steel. Thank you for joining me on this tour of Greenbuilt Steel Structures.